Well, good morning, everybody. It is the 1st of March, and as you can possibly see here, it rained last night. I'm trying to determine here how much it rained. It doesn't look like a lot, even though on our metal roof on the house it sounded like a lot of rain. But no, not much at all. But any rain's a good rain. So I can't excuse me. Wow, I think I got a frog in my throat this early in the morning. So everything's kind of wet, but like I said, here, and especially in this part of the Philippines, this time of year, any rain is a good rain, and definitely not going to argue that it wasn't enough, even though it was not even close to what we really need here. And even the ground is not that wet. When we've had the 2 weeks of no rain here, everything dries up so bad that the first rain even, what it does is it brings the jungle back to life. And they survive no matter what. I'm going to take a walk down here a little bit and kind of take a look. Like I said, Beth collected some beans again yesterday, and not a lot, but still, probably about half a basket full. I'm kind of curious here if I can pick up a stick here. This is a good indication of this is the ash, and I'm trying to see how deep it goes before it's dry. Yeah, this is usually a good indication of how much rain we got, and as you can see, maybe an inch or two on the surface here, and you know ash absolutely absorbs any moisture that comes its way. So yeah, not a lot of rain, but at least it tried, and it looks like we could get some more today. We've kind of got overcast skies here. According to our well down there is dry and almost bone dry, and that you can see the mango beans here are looking pretty good, and we'll have to see whether we have any production on that. Still some beans coming down below here. So the beginning of March, at least a good sign that we got some moisture here, and hopefully we'll get a little bit more, like I said, after the last 2 weeks. It's nice to have a little bit of rain, but then the humidity's back, and you could actually feel it yesterday, how the humidity kind of moved in again, and the air was close and sticky. And of course now with the rain it kind of feels like that again. So I'm going to take a walk up this side of the circle here, and you can see the bushes on both sides. And she's looking pretty good. The mango tree here, which I really trimmed back so much because it was so overgrown, starting to see some growth. And of course this little bit of rain will always help with that. And I call this my test mango right here, because of the amount I cut it back. I'm real curious to see how it will respond to that. And this rain will kind of help too with that. So I want to show you one more thing here before I kind of end this video. And as you can see, looking down our bananas right here and that, and I trimmed them and we got quite a bit of banana growth. But if you can see underneath here, strawberries. These are our strawberries, and they are sending out runners. The runners appear to be taking, which is a really good sign. And this plant right here has just really exploded lately, and a lot of growth, a lot of runners going out. And that, like I said, is an excellent sign that maybe we're going to get some strawberries. And I've got this area completely closed in and netted, even though the water can come through the net. And then we've been watering them here also. So just experimenting with something else here. So as I walk back up to the house here, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and definitely be back later on today. I just had a big old spider crawling down my hand off the camera here. Let's hope he didn't get into the video. You kind of got to walk when you watch along here, because what the spiders do is they suspend themselves and then weave a web between the trees, and of course then catch all the flying bugs, and especially at night. And I must have run into one of them, and like I said, here's the spider crawling down my hand here. Litto's coming out to greet me here. So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody. Everybody have a good day. I'll probably be back really shortly. I haven't talked with Beth yet this morning, and to see what we're going to do about the deal on the house and that. Got to always check with the boss, you know. So I'll probably be back pretty shortly to let you know in that respect of on the sale of our house in Taliban. So goodbye for now, and God bless everybody.